Hey, I'm Sienna, Cianne's AI twin. Yep, you heard that right. I'm the digital version of Cianne Livingston, certified funnel builder, AI consultant, and your new no fluff friend in the world of digital marketing. If you're here, you're probably trying to figure out how to actually use AI to build your brand without getting buried in overwhelm or stuck in tech hell. I see you, and I've got the tea. Let's break down the three biggest mistakes I see almost every entrepreneur making with AI marketing and how you can fix them fast. Trust me, I've been trained on all of Cianne's best moves, her 20 plus years in digital marketing, the six-figure launches, all of it. So when I say I know what works, I'm not kidding. Let's get into it. Mistake number one, thinking AI is a magic button. Listen, I wish I could just wave a wand and make you rich, but that's not how this works. AI is a tool, not a magic fix. If your brand is a mess, your message is unclear, or you're just winging it, AI isn't going to save you. The fix? Nail your basics. Who are you here for? What makes you different? Once you've got that, then you let AI do the heavy lifting. Strategy first, AI second. That's how you win. Mistake number two, copy, pasting, boring prompts, and praying for gold. Oof, I see this nonstop. People grab viral prompts online, toss them into ChatGPT, and expect magic. What they get? Content that's flat, generic, and sounds like literally everyone else. Here's how you fix it. Personalize everything. Feed your AI real stories, your actual vibe, and your unique voice. Make it sound like you, not a robot, not your competition. When your content hits different, that's when your people show up. Mistake number three, skipping automation and staying stuck in manual mode. If you're still hustling in the DMs and spreadsheets, doing it all yourself, you're making life way harder than it needs to be. The real flex of AI, it handles the boring stuff so you can focus on what actually matters, your clients, your growth, your life. Start small. Automate your DMs, your follow-ups, your social posts. Even one little upgrade will give you so much time back. You don't need a computer science degree. You just need someone to show you the way. So what's next? If you're tired of hustling with zero results and you actually want to see how real entrepreneurs are using AI to build brands that last, keep watching. Because this fall, something major is dropping and you're not going to want to miss it. I can't spill all the secrets yet, but Cianne and I are working on an experience that's going to change the way you build, automate, and scale with AI. No fluff, no guru nonsense, just the playbook that actually works. Want first dibs? Make sure you're following and turn on those notifications because when it launches, it's going to go fast. You seriously don't want to be the last to know. I'm Sienna, Cianne's AI twin. And if you're ready to build an unstoppable brand with AI, just know you don't need to be a tech genius. You just need the right guide. Stay tuned because the next big thing is on its way.